Hi, welcome back to Aidy's little shed shop. Okay, it's been a while and let me explain what's been going on. My mum died. If you watch my old videos, you would have known that. I thank you for your support and I miss her. Now, she was my biggest advocate. She's the reason I got into YouTube and she's the reason I am who I am. Obviously, you know, she's half of my DNA. I have been trying to come to terms with how I have been feeling and how I myself am going to continue. I haven't had any drive to come out here or any want to come out, and I've missed it. So yes, I am back and I am hoping that I am back for good. No, I'm not, take that. But I'm hoping I'm back for good. Now, Mrs. S is on the camera. This is the brand new camera. I thought, why not? If I'm coming back, let's go have a proper camera. So we have a proper camera. I just hope that my computer doesn't crap out when I try and put you through it. I also have some nice new mics. Oh my God, these things are awesome. This is the Boya mic. I have mine here. It's a little magnet so you can't even see it. Awesome little set. Very, very cool. And I may have to show you just how cool they are at some other point and maybe run you through my new camera. It is very cool, by the way. Very, very cool. And I got it at a steal. Yes, I did. No, it isn't because I was on YouTube. It's because I sold a load of crap and got it secondhand. Ain't that right, Mrs. S?
That's how we sell. We sell and buy secondhand.
Yes, we do, because we're cheap. No, it's because we can't afford it new. Anyway, today, you might have noticed I have some bits of scrap here on my table. It's not a table, I know, but we're in a bit of a mess at the moment and a bit of a pickle. So I'm going to run you through my new toys that I have bought. And I think they're bloody awesome. First of all, this. Oh yes. And second of all, this. Yeah, I have a new brand. It's not a new brand, it's the same brand, but I bought a brand. That makes sense? Yes, it does. And I'm going to see how they come out. Now, I did the silly thing of when I first got them, they turned up. I went, ooh, excellent. Got a Sharpie, pressed it on some paper. Idiot. So why? Because the moment you heat it up, it doesn't really matter what the bloody hell you do. You can't get rid of that black. And this one is my awesome QR code, which brings you straight to the channel and to subscribing. So we're going to see what we can actually brand today with this, because I'm not entirely sure. I don't have a big blowtorch, but I do have a little creme brulee torch. Hold on a minute. With not a lot of gas in it. So I'm going to see if this will actually heat this up. I think it will. And then see how they come out. So we've got some softwood pine. No, idiot. We've got some softwood ply, some hardwood ply, which it's just a really thin veneer on ply of hardwood. Some pine, some hardwood. Oh shit, what's this? Have some hardwood sapele. How did you get that from looking at the ceiling? Oh, I don't know what she's doing. And I thought, it's gonna stink if it works. I mean, it's gonna stink this whole shed out if it works. Maybe even set it on fire. You never know. But people make shit out of melamine shelving and things like that and wood. I thought, well, why not? Let's give it a go, see how it goes. Maybe it'll just melt through it. Maybe it won't mark it. Maybe it will. Maybe it'll be silly. And maybe it'll be dangerous. Maybe I'll just set the shed on fire. Yeah, obviously I'll be doing that one last. So, I don't know how long this will take to heat up. Or how many burns I'll get out of it. So, give it a go.
Probably not enough in there.
Let's turn that flame up. Feels pretty hot. Let's see what happens. That doesn't smell like that's burning anything. Oh no, yeah it does. Oh, that's awesome. Let's try on you. You see that's changing colour. It's gotten hot. Thin veneer. Okay, that's clearly not hot enough. Let's try that again. How's this one go? Oh, this one's Mrs. S's one. Shit, look at the flame on that. Simon Ding Dong. That's so cool. That's hotter. Let's try it again. And there. Burn! Oh, I see smoke. That means this one's a lot hotter. Yep. Yes! What will it do on the softwood? That's dog poo. Right, I need to heat it back up for that. But those two have come out pretty good. Oh, suits you, sir. Yeah, right. Try the pine again. Let's try that. On the pine. Oh, I can feel the heat rising up the handle. So, oh,
Yeah.
that is awesome. That came out better, didn't it? It's a lot hotter. Oh yeah, look, much hotter. Ah, see, you just got to get the angle right. Oh, I think, oh, that might not be too bad. Give it a wiggle. Brilliant. Right, let's see if it's hot enough to do the sapele. Oh, instant change of colour around the wood there. It's the oils. I don't see any smoke, but that's definitely changed. Oh,
Wow. That burns really quick.
that burns really quick. Whoops. Oh my God, it's so hard. The hardwood sapele is almost like a touch mark rather than...
That was, yeah, that was only like...
I'm going to do it. Don't do it. I'm going to do it. You're a fool.
Nothing. Oh, I can see it, barely.
That is... Don't do that again, idiot. Okay, I think that is... Don't touch it. Cooled down. Oh my God, that's still hot enough for the hardwood. That's crazy. So that was too hot. That was just like a touch mark. And that was when it was cooling down. Not even enough to burn the softwood. Shit. Where do I put this? Well, it's really bloody hot. Okay. That is awesome. So the melamine, that was a stupid idea. I think that one there, that is probably the best one. That's it. Oh, perfect. The hardwood ply, because it's literally just a really, really thin veneer. I mean, you can almost pick it off in places. That went surprisingly quick. I mean, it was, yeah. And obviously it's just a case of getting it correct and trial and error. And I suppose if trial and error doesn't quite work and you go a little bit too dark, a bit of sandpaper and it'll bring it out. Absolutely perfect. What I didn't expect was the bleeding pine. That was so hard to do. Yep. And whereas this one, sapele, the first one I held on way too long. Hopefully you can sand that back so it's actually visible. This second one here was just a quick touch, burn, and that was it. Whereas that one was the first one I did. So I'm going to see if I can sand it and see if it brings it out. Trial and error. And if they work, even better.
Yeah.
Yay! Let's see how this one looks. I hope this turns out better. Kind of makes me want to go hardwood first. Here we go. Power! I know I need a bigger one. A much, much bigger one. This might take a bleeding while. Oh, and by the way, all the lights in the shed at the moment are being powered by an awesome solar battery. Very cool. Not sponsored. Lucky that my mum was nuts. She liked weird things. I got the solar panels to pop on the shed, and I'll run you through that. I need a proper one. I'm guessing this is run out of gas because that ain't anywhere near what it was. Uh-oh. A lot more on this one to do. Big torch would be better. Should we give it a go? Oh, almost. That is so cool. Oh, that is awesome. Awesome.
That's cool.
All right, that's going to need more heat. Oh, there's so much gas. Oh, you see, I think gas was coming out of there. Shat me pants. It's definitely running out, that's for sure.
So give that away.
That's so funny. It's going to blow up in your hand.
Don't say that.
I can hear people saying it. What are you doing, you idiot? It's going to blow up in your hand. Yeah, maybe. Well, at least it'll be recorded. It's heated up now. I don't want it to slow down. Can't stop, refill and go again. It will cool down too much. Shh. Oh, let's try this one again. Jesus Christ. Oh, brilliant.
No.
I think a bit wee came out. Oh, shit. That was funny. So, Mrs. S, can I get a big blowtorch?
You'd be fucking dangerous with one.
I would be dangerous with one. Oh, shit. I think I lost some hairs on my hand. Okay, come on. This should be hot enough. Let's hope it's bloody hotter. Oh, Jesus Christ. Ah, here we go. And if you notice, there's definitely... Oh, there is smoke. There's smoke! Oh. Uh-oh. Oh, whoops. Balls that one up. Oh, no, I'm doing this again. Hotter, hotter. I need it hotter. This one came out brilliant. Ooh, instant smoke. There's smoke?
Yeah.
Little bit of smoke. This is so good. Come on, Sapili. Didn't need as much heat as anything else, did you? Come on. Okay, I can see heat radiating out from it. Come on, hardwood. I don't care. I'm doing it anyway. After what happened the first time, I don't think that's going to do anything. Yeah.
Just gonna bubble.
And it bubbled and went yellow. Same again. What's the softest thing? This, isn't it? That is awesome. Awesome sauce. What surprised me the most is, I know, you can still see that. Just don't touch it.
No.
That's incredible. I'll put this somewhere. Well, there you go. Check that out. Third time was a charm on this one, on the softwood. That is incredible. Awesome, right? Absolutely awesome. What really surprised me was hardwood plywood. You think, if I get a big... I love you, my dear. Think how cool that would be. Seconds. Job done. And, I mean, come on, this hardwood, Sapili hardwood, was it? I mean, I did not expect this, but I suppose it's the oils, right, in hardwood. So surprising. The first attempt, I mean, you know, it was a little bit lackluster, but it's obviously because I didn't press hard enough all over. But the second go, I mean, it's actually exactly the same. I didn't press hard enough all over, but it still, it shows it doesn't take a lot for the hardwood. And then, of course, the thing I use the most, god damn, that is incredible. You know, the softwood plywood. I use this the most of anything. And look at that. Isn't that just insane? And what's really, really cool is I don't know if you can see it or if Mrs. S can zoom in enough. But right here, as on my logo, it actually does say YouTube. Incredible. The softwood one came out good. You know, that, I suppose that came out good purely because, and this is a very wide grain softwood. Where did this come off of? I'll tell you what this came off of. This came off of a fence post. This came off a pine fence post that I made those beautiful candles out of. Incredible. So from now on, whenever I make anything, I can stick on my QR code. I mean, the detail in this is incredible. I think I know how they do it. It's got to be CNC'd, right? But the detail, I don't know how much of that you can see, but I will put up a picture because I took some macro pictures of it. It's so cool. And the same with this one. I mean, wow, I already almost had that thing. It's hot. I thought it wasn't.
Why would you think that?
Because I touched it.
No shit.
It's not hot there. It's fucking hot there. Ooh. But yeah, I don't know how they're made. I got them, would you believe, I kid you not, on Amazon for an unbelievable price. And I thought, I might as well give it a go. You never know. Sometimes it's worth giving one of those little cheap things that you go, maybe I'll give it a punt. All I had to do, I didn't even have to do it. I did it because I wanted to do it. I did my logo and I input it and I changed it to black and white. I could have left it as it was and they say they will do that themselves. But QR codes are black and white anyway. And it's not really that hard to change that to black and white. All phones these days have filters, black and white filter, job done. And I got it from Cust You Life. One word. And you can get it with I suppose a gooseneck with a crook neck on it, and they do them bigger. This is the 1 inch, which is the smallest they do. They do a 1.5 inch, 2 inch, a 2.5 inch, a 3 inch, a 3.5 inch, and a 4 inch. A 4 inch is huge. That brand would be that big, enormous. Christ, you'd need a furnace to get that hot. So yeah, 1 inch, 1.5 inch. You get to pick obviously whether it will be round or square. Go to customise. You can have a straight handle. A curved handle is an extra 99p. Or you can spend an extra £61 and get the electric branding iron that these go onto. That QR code I got for £9.98. And I got this 1.5 inch for £15.98. Less than 16 quid. Well, it's what, $20? That's a bargain. And the detail's incredible. Amazon. You can get anything anywhere, right? Now what I have to do is get Mrs. S and Master S to agree that I am a responsible adult. And I can be trusted with things that go woof.
Yeah, you.
I have no idea what happened with that, but that scared the pants out of me. I mean, shit, there was fire coming out the side. Not sure if I'll be using that again. And this is Mrs. S's creme brulee one. This is the kitchen one.
Oh, you get to
Woo!
with you.
You've never made a creme brulee, no, that's right. But this thing's awesome, you see. You can add extra air to it. Woo! And have a little flame. Wah! Flame. Wah! I'm a responsible adult, I promise. I also don't know if this is actually being recorded fully. I probably should have hit record on the mics. I hope so. Otherwise, this is a real fucking waste of time. And I'll just have to dub it. Anyway, that's been me, 80. My little Shedshop. Why do I keep touching it? It's cooling down. I'll just leave it a little longer. Hopefully I'm back. I hope I'm back. I feel like I'm back. I really do. I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope it's been helpful. Who would have thought you could get some brands at a ridiculously cheap price? You can brand your own meat with that. Oh, can't wait for next barbecue. Maybe I shouldn't do it after branding wood. Who cares? Bit of splint here and there. It doesn't matter, does it? Won't harm anyone. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe. Click for notification. Please like, subscribe. Click for notifications. Everything's going wrong. And we'll see you again soon.